Okay, we're going to kind of jump into the action part first, and then I'll go down through my explanation. And what I'm doing is, if you can see my two experiment projects, these two, when they're at complete rest, which of course was 2 seconds ago, is potential energy. Now, taking the potential energy and converting it to kinetic energy is taking two of their favorite things, and taking their potential energy and moving it into kinetic energy. Once they started using their muscles in their body and put themselves in motion as an object, then they were no longer just potential energy that they had when they were sitting there and not moving. When they applied the muscles and used the muscles as a force, then that became kinetic energy once they jumped over the sofa and ran after whatever the heck their toys that they've got to completely play with all the time. This is also a result of the cat food that they consume, which works on to their muscles and their bodies to facilitate a change in their kinetic energy, once they utilize it instead of being immobile. And on top of it, we have basically the joules that it took, the energy that was involved. So each kitten is about 4.5 pounds, which makes them 10 newtons. The sofa is 0.8 meters high. So if we take the 10 newtons times 0.8 meters, you come up with 8 joules, and that would be the energy for them jumping over or jumping off that sofa that was involved. Okay, and then to backtrack a little bit, I apologize for the mess. We just bought the house, and we're still doing remodels, and we're still getting things done around here. I considered using that as my project, but then I realized that kinetic energy and that we had potential energy and so many projects around here that need to be turned into kinetic energy. That's more like a mini-series for PBS instead of a 3-minute class video. And they always say never work with animals and children because it doesn't work out, and now you know why.